Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a slow performance issue after updating Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to fix this type of issues, so let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all open a file explorer, go to your this PC and open a C drive. After doing this that, go to your Windows. After doing this that, scroll down and find out a software distribution. Now here is a software distribution. After this, select all these files, right click and delete it. After I close it, after doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is it, then you can try our next method. The next method is that type a run, open a run command. After doing this, type a prefetch. Open it, continue. Select all these files, right click and delete it. This is a temporary file. It's download automatically from internet while you are using your computer. So delete this unnecessary data. After that, once again go to your run command and type a percentage temp and percentage. Select OK. Select all these files. Right click and delete all these files. Once again go to your run option and type a temp. Click OK and select all these files and click and delete it. After doing this that, open recycle bin and delete all unnecessary deleted files. So recycle your now recycle bin is empty. After doing this state, once again go to your search option and type a run. Open run and after that type it is a clean mgr and open it. Select a C drive. Select these unnecessary files. Select it. It's automatically delete unnecessary files which is create your window. Click OK to clean up. Delete all files. So clean up your drive. It take a few minutes. Now you can see that it's clean up. After doing this step, the next step is in the search box type a cmd and open a command or right click run as administrator privileges. After opening that, type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. After that, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.